Imagine being in a busy retail space where every decision you make is powered by clear data and smart insights. With our course designed specifically for retail managers, you learn to harness artificial intelligence in a very practical way. This isn't about replacing your skills, it's about enhancing them to save time, secure your position, and ultimately boost your income. We've built an immersive learning experience that walks you through every necessary step without getting lost in technical jargon. From easy-to-follow video lessons that break down both the fundamentals and advanced strategies to ready-to-use AI prompts designed exactly for your retail challenges, you gain tools that allow you to interact with customers on a whole new level. If you prefer reading, our eBooks and practical guides present actionable strategies and real-world case studies. And if you're always on the move, our audiobooks make it effortless to fit learning into your daily routine. This course shows you how to pinpoint challenges, choose the right AI tools, and train your team so that everyone benefits from smarter, faster processes. It's all about turning everyday retail obstacles into opportunities for growth and profitability. Plus, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Discover how to transform your retail management skills and drive real results. You can find all AI for retail managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.